Alright guys, so it's your boy NHLs here, and today's tutorial video is going to be on how you run Facebook ads for free. Alright, Facebook advertisement for free. And if you're somebody who's actually looking to generate traffic, alright, you actually want to consider working with big brands like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the likes, right? But for today, we are going to be discussing on how you can start running Facebook ads for free. And you can see on my screen, this is my Facebook account. For those of you who care to follow me, or for those of you who care to become my friend, you can come and check me out here on my Facebook account. Alright, but for today guys, I want you to pay close attention, because I'm going to be revealing to you two ways that you can use in advertising anything you want to sell on Facebook. Anything you want to sell on Facebook. Alright, so Facebook is a very huge place to generate traffic from, generate audience from, and I tell you, I use Facebook a lot. Facebook is one of my top traffic generating site, and I want to share with you what I am doing currently and how you can start doing it for yourself to get all the result you want in marketing and in business. So the first thing you want to do right now for me is to make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. Actually, I've been putting up great content of recent, and I realize a lot of you have been finding them so helpful that most of you come to my DM to thank me. I'm so honored, and I count it as a privilege to serve, right? But those of you actually watching my video for the very first time, I actually urge you to subscribe to the channel. If you find anything related to marketing and business so helpful here, I told you you'll be getting a lot. So I want you to hit the subscribe button right now, and also give this video you're watching a like, because you're about to learn two methods that you can use in promoting or maybe advertising here on Facebook. So once you hear about advertising, guys, once you hear about Facebook ads, one of the things that should come to your head is that you are reaching a wide range of people that are interested in whatever thing you're promoting. So if you're a business person, if you're an affiliate marketer, you want to make sure you hit a wide range of people that are interested in whatever thing you're doing, right? And Facebook can be one of the best places to actually get that done. All right, because of Facebook algorithm and so many fun facts about Facebook, a lot of content creators, a lot of business and industries advertise on Facebook, but they are doing it for paid. Alright, they are paying money to get that done. Just like this one, you can see here, you can see sponsored. Somebody now is actually promoting some things to me. You can see two people actually promoting something. One is an affiliate marketing ad, and this one here is talking about how you can start selling digital marketing product and also making money from it through Facebook ads. So you can see a lot of people are burning money on Facebook trying to get their content or their product out to a wide range of people. So for you who's actually wanting to do it for free, how do you go about promoting on Facebook, on the Facebook platform, or for free? Very simple. Now let's be practical about this, right? So no more talking, and let's be practical. One of the things you should understand, like I said earlier, is to get a wide range of visibility. And how do you get that? The first thing you want to use is to actually take advantage of Facebook groups. And now, what do I mean by Facebook groups? According to my research, I realized Facebook is pushing their groups out to a lot of people, because that's actually one of the places people find engagement. So if you're owner of a group, or maybe you want to actually build a community, I tell you, instead of you creating a page, right, though a page has its own benefit, I'd actually recommend you go build a group. Why? Because Facebook is going to be pushing your group out to a lot of people. Why? Because a lot of people are more engaged on the Facebook group than maybe for any other part of Facebook. All right, they are more engaged in the Facebook group. Just like you and I, we spend time more on Facebook groups, right? We read articles, we watch videos, we hear people's stories, we comment, and we do a lot of that. That's some of the secret nobody's going to tell you. All right, if you want to actually get a whole lot of traffic from Facebook, you need to use Facebook engagement policy. And I tell you, Facebook is pushing groups a lot. Now for you who's actually going to be promoting something related to affiliate marketing, or maybe make money online, or maybe be it health or whatever thing you're promoting, all you have to do right now is come over to the Facebook menu and search for whatever thing you want to do. Search for whatever thing you want to promote. Search for whatever people you want to meet out to. Search for whatever people you want to meet, right? So for me, I want to target people who are interested in losing weight. I want to meet these guys, and I want to promote my products to them. Very simple. All I have to do is just search for health groups. All right, search for health. All right, search for, you can just be health, or maybe how to lose weight, or health fitness, or whatsoever. Once you search for health, that's just a keyword. All right, Facebook is going to now bring out a lot of things for you to do. So you can see the first thing that Facebook pushes out is what? Is their groups. Facebook push more of their groups before you even see advertisement. They push out to more groups before you see what? Advertisement. Now what you want to do right now is, you can see I've joined all those groups. All right, I've joined most of them, and I'm currently promoting, and I'm going to teach you how I promote and how I get a whole lot of visibility on different Facebook groups. So now this is going to be practical, right? Teaching you how to promote your service or promote a particular product on Facebook. Now look at the first one here, says healthcare. Let me visit this one, open a new tab, let me visit this group and show you what I am talking about. Now once you are here on any Facebook group that you want to penetrate, so maybe you want to target a particular group on cryptocurrency, maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything you want to actually target your audience for, you can search for that here on Facebook, and I tell you, you will get that. You definitely get that. Now come over here on Facebook, and now if you go to Facebook's policy, you're going to be realizing that a lot of people are actually posting a lot of valuable things, and people are responding to whatever thing that they are posting. So it's the same for you. You want to make sure you go through the group and see everything that's happening there. You want to see the highest conversion, what is people talking about, what are people doing currently, what are people posting, and you can replicate that for yourself, and you can be generating the same results that they are generating. So you want to put out the work by checking out what people are putting out and see which one is converting. You want to make sure you see what is converting, and you can replicate that for yourself and for your business. So I'm not going to be coming here to tell you that you have to come and post a particular keyword or post a particular thing. It might work for me, it might not work for you, but I'm telling you the whole process here is that you understand what is converting, you understand what people are keen into, you understand what people are taking their time to consume, and you replicate that thing for yourself, for your business. And I tell you this truth, you're going to be getting a whole form of results. You'll be getting a whole lot of results, So we want to make sure you go through all these groups here and check out the one that's actually converting. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. I currently made a post of recent. Let me just search for WhatsApp on Facebook. I search for WhatsApp on Facebook, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. When I search for WhatsApp on Facebook, Facebook is going to screen the whole of its engine and bring out posts or groups or whatever thing related to WhatsApp. Let me come over to post, and let me show you something that I've been doing and that's been working for me. And that's why I told you that for you to actually start crushing on Facebook, you need to find what people are consuming, what people are giving their time to. You replicate that for your business, and you too can be generating a whole lot of results. So you can see I actually search for WhatsApp, and let me show you something. I want to actually look for some of the posts I made of recent, and let me share with you the result I was able to get. I pray I get to see that quickly. I pray I get to see that post quickly. I actually search for it and actually discover that it's actually converting. I pray I see that post quickly. Let me just go down a little bit and search for that. Let me just keep on going. Let me keep on going. I don't want to waste your time here, but I want you to understand that a lot of people are doing this, and you also can do it for yourself. So make sure you look for what is converting and you replicate that. All right, look for what is converting and replicate that for yourself. That's actually one of the ways to actually promote through Facebook groups. Do what I'm telling you right now, and I tell you, you'll be able to get results that you want. You will get a whole lot of result that you want for yourself. All right, so visibility is sure for you once you learn how to use content that people are using. Try to use those content, replicate them, fitting into your business, and I tell you guys, you're going to be getting a whole lot of result. Let me just see if I can still find that post of mine, all right, where I talked about WhatsApp, and I told you the result I got was massive. I got a huge result. I just can't find that right now. But I just want you to understand that for you to be able to promote on Facebook, you need to use what people are consuming, use content that people are consuming, and I tell you that you'll be able to get results that you want. The second place for you to actually start promoting for free is by using Facebook Marketplace. Another place that Facebook is pushing its audience to, the Facebook Marketplace. So this is for people who actually own, if you own a physical product, maybe you own a generator, you own a laptop, you own a football kit, or maybe you own a desktop device that you want to sell, right? That you want to sell. that you want to sell, I told you that come over to the Facebook Marketplace and you're going to be getting a lot of people who are going to be viewing your post. And I told you you can have a whole lot of conversion. Why? Because Facebook is actually pushing your content here. Facebook is pushing your content here, guys. So you can see a lot of people are doing this, and you can see so many conversions. Even cars, people are selling vehicles, people are selling phones, people are selling gas cylinders, laptop, paint, and a lot of things, guys. So you can see those are the two ways to actually start promoting your business or promoting your service here on Facebook, all for free. All for free, guys. So this is actually the two ways I have for you in promoting or maybe running a free Facebook ads. Very, very simple. You can make use of Facebook groups, check out what is actually trending, check out what people are posting, replicate that, and actually push that or content out. Facebook is going to help you push that out to a lot of people. And the second place you can use is Facebook Marketplace. All right, so for you who's actually wanting to run a a physical product sale, you can use the Facebook Marketplace, and you're going to be getting a whole lot of conversions here, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you actually enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. All right, I promise I was not going to tell you guys lie. I promise I was not going to copy other people and tell you what is actually not working and prove it is actually working. So that's the reason why I took my time to explain in details, all right, how you can start growing on Facebook using the Facebook groups and also using Facebook Marketplace. So if you're happy I'm sharing this content with you guys, so make sure you subscribe in appreciation and also give this video watching a like. So thank you so much. I remain Any Charles. Until next time, bye.